blue color. I like Big Al Kupal's car. The 48 of Nick Smalley looking good too. Anyways, our 130 of Brandon Reed's going to bring them around. Here they come, they come. Green flag and we're racing. And it's going to be Dan Moffitt out with the early lead, followed by Reed. Big Al Kupal hanging on to third. Here comes Nick Smalley. Nick Smalley having handling issues earlier in the evening. Looks like as of now he's got it figured out.
As we talked about earlier, the top two in this bash qualify as Nick Smalley got a little wild in turns 1 and 2 in that 48 machine. But it's still Dan Moffitt ahead of Brandon Reed for the moment.
Mike Zalecki was starting to look on the inside of Nick Smalley back there in 4th and 5th. Nick Smalley having handling issues again as he about went sideways coming out of turn 2. But the battle's for the lead between Moffitt and Reed.
Yeah, neither one of these two, if they take each other out, then the other two, that'll be Kupal and Smalley would slide in. Depends on how aggressive these leaders are going to be.
Reed starting to try to pull away. Here comes Big Al Kupal, followed by Smalley. Dan Moffitt trying to hang on there. Looks like he's going to maybe hang on to second. I don't know. Here comes Big Al in the 55 car.
Yeah, that Franklin Flyer, he's been doing a good job on that low end. Tucking it hard, riding it fast. Reed, your leader. Kupal technically in the second spot is him and Dan Moffitt in that 81 go door to door, side to side along the backstretch.
So here comes Reed bringing him around. Big Al Kupal looking to take second place away, wants that transfer spot. So he's got, Dan Moffitt spins out. Nick Smalley's involved in the 128 of Judd Fielder also. All right, as Brandon Reed's going to bring them around, they're now entering the raw steel collision center restart zone. Here they come, they come. Green flag, and we're racing.
As the night gets cool, the cars stay heated. And Reed blasting the pace out there. Kupal in that 55 trying to hold off the 128 of Judd Felder as the 25 of Ed Hask has worked his way into the top 4.
Yeah, Judd Fielder definitely bringing the heat on that Big Al. Judd Fielder's going to take over that transfer spot from Big Al. Big Al says no. He wants it back. I don't think he liked how Judd moved right in front of him, but he's definitely pulling away now. Big Al, you better catch him.
We'll see what that Franklin Flyer has in him as he goes high and low. Brandon Reed, still your leader.
So we've got 9 in, 6 to go this time by. It's Brandon Reed, Judd Fielder, Big Al Kupal, and Ed Hask, your top 4. But only 2 are going on.
Reed having a little bit of battle with Fielder right now in that 28 machine as the 55 of Al Kupal kind of drops off that pace a little bit. Ed Hask in the 25 is trying to find his way up to that pace. And now the battle is over at first.
Wow, Judd Fielder is making a move on Brandon Reed. Will he get him? He got a little slid a little bit coming out of turn 2. He's coming back at it again. Here comes Judd Fielder.
And Fielder might have had some issues, maybe a breakout problem as they have Brandon Reed in the top spot in the 55 of Al Kupal. Currently in second. Ed Hask in third. Ryan Nudie in fourth.
And Judd Fielder way off the pace. Something must have happened to that car. Don't know what just happened to him.
Any way you look at it, 1 to go. Reed in the spot. Kupal now in second. Ed Hask in third in that 25 machine.
Well, Big Al's got to be happy now that he's back in second. He's going to get that transfer spot. Ed Hask giving it everything he can, just not enough time. It's going to be Brandon Reed for first, Big Al for second, Ed Hask for third. 4th place coming around. Looks like it's going to be Ryan Nudie. And 5th place is going to go to Rockford's Brett Garnhart. And that's going to be the story for AAA bracket bash number 1. As the AAA bracket has 2 bashes, there will be 1 more coming out. Brandon Reed coming around in that 130 car. No, he's a happy camper. Got to show the good side of the car there. All right. He's got to back it up. Not quite in there perfect. There we go.
As long as the backdrop of the Bahama National brackets is there.
That's right. All right, definitely a happy guy. Let him know you're here for him in the number 130 cars. He's going to get out of his car